What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Life of Shayla, and of course I am Shayla. I just got done showering and washing my hair, so today I am going to do a braid. Well, I'm gonna do some plaits for a braid out. So I just wanted to come on camera and do that, so when I actually take the braids down, I can show you guys what the braid out looks like. So right now I just kind of have my hair going to the back in some braids. I have 6 braids. Normally what I do when I am braiding my hair, I will take maybe like 2 braids out at a time and plait those up. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll probably speed through most of this, but I did just want to give you guys a heads up on what I'm doing so you guys can see. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn so you guys can get a good view. Alright guys, so here's my plaits all done. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 plaits, and I have 2 locks that are left out. No, I did not do it on purpose. No, I did not feel like taking down a braid and including them in there. The good news is that it's only 2, so hopefully, you know, it don't stick out. But I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the finished product. I was originally going to come on and take them down, but most of us, or you know, maybe all of us, probably know how to take down plaits at this point. Just make sure when you take them down, you kind of want to take your time. You don't want to cause too much extra frizz. I don't use any products to take it down. I literally just take the plaits out. And I did forget to mention also that my hair is actually damp. But sometimes I do braid outs on dry hair as well. You know, it still turns out really good. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, but I was trying not to do super tight braids because then it's a lot more crinklier than I usually like. I try to do it kind of loose, but I'm just like whatever. So I'm actually doing this braid out for my 1-year Sisterlock update, which if you're seeing this video, then you probably already saw that 1-year update because that is going to go up before this one. But next up after this video is going to be brain fart. Oh, it's going to be the products and my essentials I use on my journey, my 1-year journey of having Sisterlocks. So you guys be sure to stay tuned for that, but I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the finishing results. All right, good morning guys, we are back. It's the next day. I've already started taking down the back of my hair, so I'm going to finish taking down the front on camera. Before I even went to bed last night, my hair was already pretty much dry. Luckily, it doesn't take my hair long to dry. Even when I wash it and take the braids down, it dries really fast. So I'm thankful for that. But I just have 2 more braids up front that I'm going to take down for you guys. Don't pay attention to all the flakes, guys. My hair has been on one the last couple months. This is like the first time in a while though that, so I waited 2 weeks to wash my hair this time. I usually try and wash it weekly because it was being so dry, but I waited 2 weeks this time. And this is the first time that I actually washed my hair. But before I washed it, like I wasn't all flaky and white. My scalp didn't have a lot of flakes or dryness, so I was happy about that. Alright guys, so here's my braid out all taken down. I like to run my fingers through it, fluff it up a little. I am going to do a 360 for you guys. Let me get a little shaky. Alright, here's my braid out. Go ahead and hit that 360. Alright guys, so there's my results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to stay tuned. The next Sisterlock video that will be coming to you will be all the accessories, products, and all that good stuff that I used over my 1-year journey. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be sure to check you guys in my next video.